Sairam children, today we are going to discuss lesson number 10, Force, Work and Energy. Children, we have already discussed this lesson. So today we are going to solve the behind exercise or textual exercise of this lesson. In this lesson we have already discussed about force, about the effects of force, about various types of forces, about simple machines. We have also discussed about different types of energies. So what is force, children? Yes, a pull or push that acts on an object is called force. The effects of force are: force can stop an object, force can move an object, force can change the direction in which an object is moving, force can change the shape of an object. We have also discussed about friction. What is friction? Yes, friction is a force which works when two surfaces come in contact with each other. Friction always works in the direction opposite to movement or motion. It always opposes motion. Because of friction only, the things which are moving can stop. Now children, let us solve the questions based on this lesson. So the first question is choose the correct options. You have already solved this kind of questions in the exam and also in the revision sessions that we have done. Now the first question here is, with what force does every object in the universe attract other objects near it? The options are frictional force, elastic force, gravitational force and mechanical force. So what is the correct answer, children? The correct answer is C, gravitational force. Gravitation in general means attraction. Every single object in the universe attracts the object near it. And when this force of attraction is exerted by earth, because of which it pulls everything towards itself, it pulls everything down, we call it gravitational pull of earth. Now the next question is, what is the force that makes a material resist stretching and go back to its original state? Now we know that few things can be stretched. They are elastic in nature. So, but when you stretch the things, it again goes back to its original state. So the force that resists stretching and make the things go back to its original state is, what is the answer, children? Yes, the answer is C, elastic force. Next one. Which among these is a second class lever? Options are scissors, pliers, tweezers and bottle openers. So, the correct answer is D, bottle openers. Bottle openers are example of second class lever. Next one is, which among these is not a simple machine? Seesaw, scissors, bicycle and screwdriver. The answer is C, bicycle. Bicycle is not a simple machine. Now the next question is, what is used to convert water energy to electrical energy? The options are turbine, windmill, solar cooker, all of this. And the answer is A, turbine. Turbine is used to convert water energy to electrical energy. Now the next question is, identify the simple machine. A rod free to rotate about a fixed point. The options are wheel and axle and lever. So the correct answer is lever, right? Made of two inclined planes. The options are wedge and pulley. The answer is wedge. A slope. The options are screw and inclined plane. So the answer is inclined plane. Now the next one is, a nail with a winding edge cut into it. And what is the correct answer, children? It is a screw. A grooved wheel with a rope passing around it. That is a pulley. A wheel with a rod attached to the center. What is the answer? Yes, that is wheel and axle. Now, the next question is fill in the blanks. Now, a machine consists of many simple machines is a options are lever or a complex machine. So, the correct answer is yes, complex machine. The fixed point in a lever is called as load or fulcrum. So, the answer is it is called as fulcrum. Fulcrum is a fixed point in which a rod is attached which is free to rotate around that fixed point or the fulcrum. So, the fixed point in the lever is called as fulcrum. In a lever, if the fulcrum is between the effort and load, it is a options are second class lever or first class lever. So what is the answer, children? If the fulcrum is between load and effort, it should be a first class lever. The answer is, the example is seesaw, right? Seesaw is an example of first class lever wherein the fulcrum or fixed point is in between the load and effort. We know that the levers can be divided into three types: first class, second class and third class, in which the position of fulcrum changes in every kind of lever. Now the next one is the axe and the knife are the examples of options are wedge and lever. So the correct answer is the axe and the knife are the example of wedge. Water that falls from a height has dash energy, heat energy or mechanical energy. So, what is the correct answer? Water that falls from a height has mechanical energy. Steam from inside the earth is used to generate energy, geothermal energy or electrical energy. Now understand, children, steam from inside the earth is called as geothermal energy because geo means earth and thermal is related to heat. So steam from inside the earth is called as geothermal energy. But here the question is, steam from inside the earth is used to generate. It is used to generate electrical energy. Okay, so the answer here is electrical energy. Now the next question is identify the given figure. You know very well that here you will get a picture and you will be given few options wherein you have to click on the correct option which figure it is. Now the first one, see this picture. So the options given are windmill, turbine or screw. What is it, children? Yes, it is windmill. Right? Windmills can be used to generate electricity, which is the blades of the windmill move by the wind and which in turn generates electricity, which can be used for various purposes. And one more thing about wind energy is that it is eco-friendly. It does not pollute the environment. Now the next one, this is the example of, or this picture shows the options are lever, inclined plane and wedge. So what is the correct answer, children? What it is? This is the option, this is C. It's a picture of wedge. Now this picture is of, the options are rod, lever, pulley or screwdriver. So what is it, children? This picture is of screwdriver. That is an example of wheel and axle, wherein we have the top is like a round and a rod is attached to it. So wheel and axle has a wheel and a rod attached to it, and you know that screwdriver is an example of wheel and axle. Now this picture, the options are windmill, turbine, solar panel. So what is it, children? Yes, this is C. Solar panels. Children, solar panels are used to convert solar energy into electricity. Now, solar energy is again an eco-friendly type of energy, because it does not pollute the environment. So, we have finished discussing the questions based on this lesson. I hope you enjoyed the session. Sai Ram.